Hello everyone, welcome back to our Financial Facts channel. We love to provide financial tips and tricks. This is a part 3 of basic analysis of Microsoft. Click the link in the below description to see our first and second part. Now hit the subscribe button if you like our video. In this video, we are going to see the Microsoft financial highlights, Microsoft's past financial performance and current financial position. First, let's see some of the finance highlights. The revenue of Microsoft at 2019 is $125.8 billion. In 2016, it was $91.5 billion. The revenue is increasing every year from 2016. Microsoft revenue got increased 38% in last 3 years. It's not only the revenue. If you look here at the net income also increased from $20.5 billion to $39.3 billion in last 3 years. If you look at the earning for every share, the earnings increased 97% in last 3 years, which means if you would have invested in Microsoft in 2016, now it would have been almost doubled. Now, let's see the Microsoft's past performance. If we look at the quality earnings, Microsoft has high quality earnings from last 5 years. Microsoft operating expenses is not too much in last 5 years, around 24% increased, which is very low when compared to its earnings growth. If we look at the growth profit margin, Microsoft's current net profit margin is 31.7%, are higher than the last year 16.4%. The financial position of Microsoft. Short-term liabilities. Microsoft's short-term assets are $165.9 billion, exceeds its short-term liabilities $58.1 billion, whereas long-term liabilities, Microsoft's short-term assets are $165.9 billion, exceeds its long-term liabilities $114.8 billion, which means the Microsoft debt amount, either bank loan or bond, is very less than its short-term asset. Microsoft can easily pay their debt in case if needed, and still they have more enough capital to run their business. Debt versus equity. Debt level, Microsoft's debt to equity ratio is 65.5% is considered high, which is the percentage of money company financing for its operation. 40% lower is considered as good percentage. Now there is a link in description if you want to know about what is DE ratio in detail. Asset versus liability. Microsoft debt is covered by short-term assets, that is assets are 2.4 into debt. $287.96 asset, 106.6 equity, 172.9 liabilities. Dividend. Microsoft pays 1.32% dividend, which is little lower than the average in similar industry, which is 1.43%. Stable dividend. Microsoft's dividend per share have been stable in the past 5 years. Microsoft dividend payments are well covered by earnings. Thank you for watching.